The bus is against the automobile, and I'm against fishing in the rain, but I'm for love. Let's slide him out the way a second. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I always thought it would be miserable out there fishing in the rain. Caught 15 fish today. Y'all check out the video. The camera died about, I don't know, 3/4 a day into the trip, so there's about 5 or 6 fish that ain't even on film. A couple of them I still had to get in the tournament, so I will flash a picture up. But y'all check out the fishing for this great day of fishing, man. I'll have a little fun with Hank in the beginning, man, but I'll be back at the end. Yes, son. He caught that in the rain? Hope that one didn't make it forward. start fishing in the rain. Sorry y'all, camera died. I've done caught about 6 fish with no camera on. I mean, they moved up a 14th from 16. One of them was a 5-pounder, but she only measured out, I think, 18 inches, 18 and a half, something like that. I'll let you know later. It's been a really good day of fishing, but I got my ass soaked. I've been fishing in the rain for this tournament all day. But today I had to fish, so here we are. Some cold ass days. At least we on the bass today. I mean, today has definitely been worth it. Caught 2 over here. Caught 3 when I first got here. Caught 2 more off of trees. And then I went back to the bridge and caught 2 more. I might put y'all up raining like that. Sorry guys. Thought I was gonna have y'all out. I can't have y'all in the rain like that. Well, that wraps it up, y'all. We got 2 more fishing days in, including this video, and I got 1 more. I'm gonna get that out pretty quick because the month of March is over. I've enjoyed fishing this tournament. In the next video, I'm gonna give y'all the placements and we'll pop it up because it's over. I didn't really do it throughout the month because by the time you fish and we talk about it, and the time other people fish, everything's fluctuated. So I figured the best thing to do is just wait till the last day and then we'll get that info to y'all. But man, killed it. Caught another 5-pound fish. She really helped. First thing and butt crack of dawn that morning, caught a nice 5-pound fish. Then after that, once it started sprinkling rain, it all just magically started happening. It was one of them days, you know, I went out there by myself, put 15 fish in the boat, and I think I entered 7 of them into the tournament because the other 5 wasn't even, you know, cold. So I just, if I knew it was under, when I first got there, it was like under 12 and a half inches. By the time I left, it was under 14 inches. So, I mean, I'll say it was a pretty productive day, but I appreciate everybody's liking and subscribe the past few months. Things really starting to jump off, I believe. You know, I'm having fun making these videos for y'all, and I hope y'all having fun watching them. If you are, won't you hit that subscribe right there for me and watch that video because YouTube's recommending it. See y'all on the next episode. But I'm for love. Yeah, I'm for happiness. Think I'm gonna like fishing in the rain.